Meet Smart Intake, a faster, smarter way to start every claim. The driver begins with the license plate instantly linking the claim to the right vehicle. The app captures where and when the accident happened using clear required fields. Driver information, third-party details, and supporting documents are collected step by step. Accident categories help structure the case from the beginning. Repair options and location data make it possible to start the assessment remotely without an initial garage visit. The mobile inspection guides the driver through the right photos and videos with live feedback along the way. Odometer, wind, and image quality checks help ensure the evidence is complete and usable. Damage is captured from the right distance, giving handlers the detail they need to assess the claim. Everything is submitted in one complete digital file. Better data in, faster decisions out.
UBench.